Hello and welcome to the second part of how to make a Discord bot in Discord.py. Today we are going to be adding in implementation of Cogs, so being able to write commands in different files. So we're going to open up our project again, which I stored in my documents folder as tutorial bot. As you can see here, here's our project here. So we're just going to I do it this way. I do open up CMD. I load up sudo code by typing that command in the command prompt. Sometimes it does bug out. There you go, loaded. Sometimes it takes a little while, especially when I haven't loaded up Visual Studio Code in a while, which was yesterday because there was an update, so it usually takes a little while after an update. Let Python extension do its work, so we can syntax highlight our code. There you go. Code has been syntax highlighted. So first of all, we're going to import a new library, which is going to be OS, and we're going to do we're going to do for file name in os.list and that's going to be /cogs, as you can see there, and we're going to do if the file name ends with the py extension. Then we're going to load we're going to do bot.extension, the bot load extension f. We're going to do cogs.filename :-3, like that. I'm going to do, then we're just going to do print put an F statement there as well, might as well. Loaded cog, just gonna pass in the file name. Just a sec. And let's just say if it's else, because the only time something won't be able to load in the cogs folder is the pycache folder. So all we really need to do is just print unable to load pycache folder, because for some reason it treats it as a file. So obviously the only time this else statement will be triggered if anything in that directory does not end with .py, and obviously everything will apart from the pycache folder, which is why we use that one, which is why I just do that to make it simpler. What we are now going to do is we're obviously going to create our directory called cogs, and we're going to just create a file called ping.py. So we're going to do our normal import discord, and from discord.ext import commands. But this time, instead of doing bot equals blah blah blah, we're going to do we're going to do class ping commands.cog. Just as so, I want to create an init function. So def underscore init, def underscore init. I'm going to pass in self and the bot argument. So we're just going to do self.bot equals bot, so we can do our main function, like main functions from here. So stuff like bot.load extension or bot.latency to get ping latency. But this time, instead of it being bot dot, it will be self.bot dot, like that. So we're going to create a command by doing @commands.command, and we're going to run the we're going to put in 3 async def like usual ping, and instead of just putting ctx, we'll put self ctx, just like so. Then we can do await ctx.send pong, and here we can do def setup bot.add underscore cog ping bot, just like that, as you can see there. So if I now remove this command from here, so this is the only stuff we got here, we can then do python.py or run it from here like some people may do. Let their bot start up, and then it gets loaded the ping cog. Gotta wait for it to say bot is online. Head into here. Now if we do -ping, the command works like it would be in here. So basically it kind of just tidies up your main file. Instead of having to have all your commands in one file, it can be in separate files. Just tidy, your code up type thing. So we're going to edit this command here. I'm going to do latency. So to make it say latency, so we're going to keep it as Pong to make it F statement. And what we're going to do is we're going to do self.bot.latency and divide it by 1,000. I believe. If not, then I can just change it. So you close our bot thing here. It says unable to load the PyCache folder because obviously PyCache folder has been created. Now if we do -ping Pong, oh no, that's definitely not what you do. Let's try not typing it and not dividing it. Get the command ready for when it says it's online. Yep, no, it's I wonder if you times it then, because I know you do something with it. I just can't really remember because I have terrible memory. Maybe it's that. Times it by 1,000. Otherwise you just get a bunch of decimals. So I'm still getting decimals, but that's about right. So 129 ms would probably be around about the standard bot latency for most bots running on self PCs. So basically those decimals are just there. Times by 100 maybe. But yeah, that's average latency is 129, and for most bots running on PC on self-hosted on PCs. So try some other things to see if I can get those decimals to disappear. Nope, sure won't do though. Incredibly weird. Back in a minute to go after googling it. Alright, we're back, and I've just googled it. So we need to put this in a round function like that. Wrong bit. So we round that by round it. I'm pretty sure I do have to import random to do that. So we import random. No, never mind. It's just a normal function because it didn't highlight telling me that I used it. So we shall restart our bot here. Wait for the time it's online. Yeah, there we go. So I just forgot the little round thing here to round it to the nearest decimal. But as you can see, it's around about 124 ms. So 124 milliseconds on an average hosted PC. So I've shown you how to add cogs and how to create a ping command in this episode. And next episode we shall be doing kick and ban in the same episode. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming out tomorrow, as all my other videos are there daily. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.